yesterday was just straight up what is of. Nothing was changing, no increase, no decrease. It's pretty rare in the SAT. I mean, there'll probably be one, usually. But most of the questions are like, you got starting amount, ending amount, how much did it change? Or here's the starting amount, change it, where do you end up? Or here's the ending amount, it changed by this much, where do you start? So this is the formula you use like, on most of the percent problems. I know there's different ways to do this, but again, keep in mind I kind of know what's coming. Wow, that's gigantic. So I'm trying to show you like the easiest way to do most problems in general. So as soon as I see like change or increase or decrease, I'm automatically writing down this formula. This is the first one in your worksheet. Okay. So what's the start? 1 plus r, and what's the end? And this I want to see your work just like yesterday. So write down the formula with me. I'll do the steps. So the starting amount. So from 74 means we started at 74. 250 means we ended at 50. So 74 times 1 plus r equals 50. And then you could distribute here, but I think that's the harder way to do it. I think the easier way to go is just divide by 74 right now. And those will cancel, so you just left with the 1 plus r over here. 50 divided by 74. Okay, so it's like 0.67 or so. 0.67. So 5. Okay. And then I want to solve for r. So I'm going to subtract this 1. And that'll give me r equals negative 0.325. And then I turn that decimal into a percent. By either multiplying by 100 or you can think about just knocking that decimal back 2 spots.
Wait, can I ask how you took 0.675 and you subtracted 1? How did that equal 275?
Did I do that wrong?
No, it's correct. But why?
Why or how? What, okay.
Wouldn't it be like negative 1.675?
No, because it's positive 0.675 minus 1.
Oh, okay.
You get that?
Yeah, no, I'm good.
Okay. So then you get this negative 0.325. Your job is to get to this 32.5% decrease. So the fact that it's negative is why it's a decrease. And 0.325, turn that into a percent by either multiplying by 100 or just moving that decimal over to the right 2 spots. And that'd be a 32.5% decrease. Is that okay? Questions on that before I'll do a couple more, but any other ones on any questions on this? Alright, so again I want to see this formula every time. I know that's annoying. I just don't care. Start times 1 plus r equals end. So we started at 93. 1 plus r equals 21. Again, I think the easiest thing to do from here is divide by 93. I know that's a little earlier than we usually do it, but I'm just trying to get the 1 plus r by itself. 21 divided by 93. 0.226. If you're off because you rounded, I'm not that worried about that. And then subtract 1 from both sides. So what's that? 774. Negatives 0.774. So what I would want you to say is that's a 77.4% decrease. The decrease is because it's negative, and then it's 77.4% because we moved that decimal over 2 spots. You good? Question on that? Is the next one an increase by any chance? Alright. start times 1 plus r equals end. So 47 times 1 plus r equals 81.6. Again, I think the easiest thing is divide by the number outside of the parentheses. So now you get a number that's bigger than 1. 1.74-ish. And subtract 1, subtract 1. So r equals 0.74, so that's the percent as a decimal. So we're going to make it into a percent, so move it over 2 spots, or multiply by 100, whichever way you prefer, and that's 74%. And then it's an increase, because that's positive. And because, we went up, right? We got bigger, so that's big. Fair enough? We Gucci? I'll throw the answers up, no problem. Show me the answers, you guys show the work, but I'll see what you're supposed to get. Is that big enough? Those of you in the back? Tom, Justin, here, he's good. Again, I know some of you can do these without showing the formula. Trying to build a solid